All right, so today we're going to take care of a problem that a lot of A-liners have, especially the Evolution model. It seems to be very common that people are driving and this front lens falls off. And the easy answer to that is to replace it with this Lumitronics kit off Amazon. It comes as a complete replacement. Now, if you just broke your lens, you can just swap out the lenses. This kit comes with amber and clear. So if your light still works, that's all good. I still had to drive like 500 miles. Apparently, maybe something hit this LED bar and messed it up. So I'm going to replace the whole light. But like I said, if you are doing basically just a lens, there's two attachment points up top and then one on the bottom. You simply put the top in, click it in, and you're done. Now, if you're doing what I'm about to do, I'm going to have to reseal everything when I'm done. But we're going to go ahead and take this apart. We're going to start off with the standard RV attachment. So we're going to put that in. You can use a Phillip on this too, because I doubt it's very tight. But we're going to pull these two screws out and see what the wiring looks like. All right, so the actual size we're going to use is square 2. Like I said, this is like the standard RV bit. I recommend that you get something similar to this or this kit right here. It's just a DeWalt multi-attachment for like the drill kit or your impact, and this has everything. You can run sockets on it. Has the RV attachments, just random attachments and bolts you could run into. And I keep this one on me anytime we take the camper out. I have one in the car as well. But it has everything you need as far as like fittings and attachments. And if you're going to need to use an impact, it does have the attachment for your DeWalt impact. All right, so once you get your light off or your bolts out from your light, you will have to pull a little bit if you're replacing this, because A-liner did use some sort of silicone on the back side, and then standard tied up twist ties. I'm not sure what's going on here. It feels like it was burned a little bit. So we're going to fix this wiring a little better, but the wiring is exactly the same. So it's standard black and white. You know, you have your ground and you have your power. So we're going to go and wire this back up, and then we will make sure everything works. All right, so new light is tested. It does work. Now we're just going to take some electrical tape and kind of button up some of this wiring and then wrap it and tuck it. So that way it's a little cleaner, and then we'll add some silicone around here for the base plate. And then after that, we'll bolt it all back together, and we'll go ahead and clean up the silicone around here right before we do that, just to make sure we don't have any leaks in the future. All right, before I button it all up, this is one piece that was on the factory light. You will have to move it over. It's kind of the clip in. It protects the wires from this metal. So I had to go ahead and take it apart, reattach it. And then I added some electrical tape to kind of insulate the wires, because at the bottom of this one, you can kind of see it. I tucked it up better, but it wasn't hanging out. It's not hanging out anymore. So just that extra layer of protection, because all this has to get wrapped and then tucked back in there. And you'll want to have this grommet protector on here before you button it back up. All right, so new light is fully installed. We went with the white cover, and we're going to pack the additional cover in the camper with us just in case we need it. This one is very, very secure, and I don't see there being an issue with it. Last thing to do is go around and seal all the way to like probably about there. And that way, if anything does get in, it can drain out, but protecting it from getting water on the inside. All right, we are all wrapped up and done. As you can see, we have a nice seal going all the way around. And for that part, we use the GeoCell 6125. 100% silicone is what I use all on the outside of this thing to make sure it is sealed. So if you got any questions, comments, drop them below.